Hi friends, let me show you this new ULTRALOQ smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. It works with Apple Home, so it's a really nice unit. I'm going to install it and let you know how it works. I received it for reviewing purposes and I'm going to install it here at home. As you can see, you get all the instructions you need to install it, even this perforation guide for your door if you don't have the perforations already, and this is the whole user manual. This is the inside part of the lock. This is the outside part. You can see how beautiful it is. It works with a fingerprint, with a key, with a code, or with your app. You even get some extra batteries and all the accessories you need to install it. Okay? Let's try it. So as you can see, we can open the door either with the keys, with our fingerprints, or with the app, as you saw. We close the door and now we can open it, okay? We're gonna close it again. And now we're going to use a different fingerprint. Finally, we are going to, it's unlocked, we're going to lock it with the app and unlock it with the app. Perfect.